Hello, this is Rachel from kalkinemedia. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications for our latest videos. The year 2020 proved to be a huge success for the US initial public offering market as 494 IPOs combined raised more than $174 billion. Despite the pandemic, companies like Airbnb, DoorDash and Snowflakes went public last year, raising the confidence of others to also go public. Here are 10 US companies that may be worth exploring this year. The San Francisco-based Nextdoor is expected to go public in 2021. It's a social media company that runs an eponymous social networking site. The company raised $455 million from 24 investors through 9 rounds of fundraising. Nextdoor was valued at $2.2 billion after the latest round. It has acquired 3 companies called Neighborland, Trove and Hoodline. It was founded in 2008 with a presence in 11 countries. The company aims to increase its valuation to $5 to $6 billion. Currently, 1 in every 4 Americans uses the app. Nextdoor saw its number of subscribers soar by 80% during the pandemic. On to another one now. Founded in 2014, digital mortgage lender Better.com is expected to go public in 2021. The company provides loans and refinancing facilities to new home buyers. Bank of America and Morgan Stanley are to advise the company on their IPO. After the SoftBank Group invested $500 million in the company last month, the company's value has gone up to $6 billion from $4 billion. The company has raised over $1 billion since its inception. The IPO speculations started after SoftBank's investment in the company. Its other backers include Goldman Sachs and American Express, amongst others. The company has over 3,000 employees. Robinhood Inc. is a trading app that was launched in 2013. It's registered for IPO in March 2021 and is expected to go public in the second quarter of 2021. The number of shares and their price are yet to be disclosed. The company raised $660 million through a Series G round of funding back in September 2020, which rose its value to $11.7 billion. It also had raised $3.4 billion in another investment round, which attracted investors such as NEA, Index Ventures, and Iconic Capital. The company offers commission-free trading on stocks, which saw its popularity increase amongst younger traders. The company has over 20 million users as of now. DATABRICKS is an artificial intelligence and data engineering company that launched in 2013. It is expected to go public this year. The stock's to be sold through investment banks or brokers. The company has raised $1.9 billion from 28 major investors through 7 big rounds of funding since its inception. Its clients are mainly Fortune 500 companies, which rely on DATABRICKS data engineering and machine learning and analytics. Many top venture capitalists have already invested in the company. Payment processing startup Stripe may go public in 2021. The financial services company might be one of the biggest success stories when it goes public. Stripe's value soared 164% to $95 billion from last year's valuation of $36 billion. That was after a series of H funding rounds, making it the most valuable startup. Its backers include Fidelity and AXA. It will be one of the major IPOs in the US this year based on its valuation. Moving on, grocery delivery startup Instacart may offer a direct US listing this year. They were founded in 2012, and the San Francisco-based startup saw 6-fold growth in doorstep delivery due to the pandemic this year. It also doubled its workforce to 500,000 this year. Instacart's market valuation doubled to $39 billion in less than 6 months after it received $265 million from investors like T. Rowe Price Associates and D1 Capital Partners. The company is also mulling over its international expansions. Instacart has hired Goldman Sachs to help in the listing. Fintech firm Social Finance, also known as SOFI, is expected to go public via a special purpose acquisition company. The venture capitalist and back-check firm Chamath Palihapitiya is at the helm of this SPAC. After the merger, SoFi is expected to be valued at $8.65 billion. The IPO plan comes amid a record number of young traders entering the stock market. The craze is likely to continue. The company offers loan, saving account opening services, stock market related services. It also allows retail investors to buy IPOs from other companies. Cloud-based software startup GITLAB plans to go public this year. They were founded in 2011. The company raised over $400 million through 9 rounds of funding, which took its valuation to $6 billion. Its major investors are Goldman Sachs and Light Street Capital, amongst others. The company's earnings increased in the last quarter, and it also secured new clients, including 3 airline companies. Earlier, the company had plans to go public back in November 2020, but could not due to the pandemic. Electric vehicle startup RIVIAN is expected to go public in the third quarter of 2021. After the IPO, its valuation might go up to $50 billion from $27.6 billion that it stands at now. Founded in 2009, the Michigan-based company manufactures electric trucks and SUVs. It raised $2.7 billion in private equity round in 2020. It is the biggest investment in the electric vehicle market so far. Its investors include Amazon and Ford Motors. The company has over 3,600 employees. The startup is also planning to develop charging stations for its customers. ThoughtSpot is a data visualization service provider founded in 2012. They may go public this year. The company had originally planned for the IPO back in 2020, but it got delayed once again due to the pandemic. The company saw 108% growth in 2019 and 88% in the previous year. ThoughtSpot had raised $743.7 million from 8 rounds of funding. Snowflakes has invested $20 million into the company, and recently the company has partnered with business analytics solution firm Infocept. If you like this information, please like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for notifications for our latest videos. For regular updates and information, log on to our website, kalkinemedia.com. I'm Rachel Jones, signing off for Kalkinemedia.